Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding wagons that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Camapot collapsible wagon. This lightweight folding wagon is designed for versatile use, from grocery shopping to beach trips. It's an ultra-lightweight option, weighing just 13.5 pounds, which makes it highly portable and easy to handle, even for seniors. The 300-pound static weight capacity is impressive for its size, thanks to its sturdy steel tube construction. However, keep in mind that it requires assembly for its 4 wheels, which could be a slight inconvenience for some users. Performance-wise, the Camapot wagon has medium dimensions at 30 inches long and 18 inches wide, making it spacious enough for most daily needs without being overly bulky. The folding mechanism is quick and simple, allowing you to store it compactly in tight spaces. Although it's not the best for rough terrains due to its less robust wheels, it performs well on smoother surfaces like parks and sidewalks. The addition of cup holders is a thoughtful touch for outdoor events. In terms of value, this wagon is a solid choice for anyone looking for a lightweight and compact option for moderate loads. While it lacks premium features like all-terrain wheels, it's a practical and affordable choice for casual users. Pros: lightweight, portable, and compact. Cons: requires wheel assembly and less suited for rugged terrain. Coming in at number 4 is the Yozoya foldable wagon. This utility cart offers a balance of durability and portability, with an impressive dynamic load capacity of 220 pounds and a lightweight design at just 11 pounds. The standout feature here is the heavy-duty alloy steel frame, which is 20% thicker than standard competitors. This makes it a reliable choice for heavier loads, whether you're hauling groceries, camping gear, or gardening supplies. One of the highlights of the Yozoya wagon is its 360-degree swivel wheels, providing smooth maneuverability across various terrains. The adjustable handle allows for comfortable pulling or pushing, and the included elastic straps are a thoughtful bonus for securing your cargo. The detachable 600D Oxford fabric is both durable and easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. However, the folding mechanism is not as compact as some competitors, which might be an issue for tight storage spaces. Overall, the Yozoya wagon offers excellent value for its price, making it ideal for families or individuals who need a sturdy, reliable cart for everyday use. Pros: durable, lightweight, and versatile. Cons: slightly less compact when folded. At number 3, we have the Blomaba collapsible wagon. This cart stands out with its exceptional build quality and 220-pound load capacity. Constructed with a high-strength carbon steel frame and durable 300D Oxford fabric, this wagon is built to last through heavy use. Its foldable design is compact and portable, making it perfect for on-the-go lifestyles. The Blomaba wagon features 360-degree rotatable all-terrain wheels, which handle uneven surfaces like sand and gravel with ease. The adjustable telescoping handle provides added flexibility, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. With its spacious 90-liter capacity, this wagon is perfect for camping trips, family outings, or grocery runs. However, it is slightly heavier than some competitors, at 11.24 pounds, and the lack of included accessories like cup holders is a minor drawback. Blomaba offers a great mix of durability, portability, and functionality, making it a solid choice for outdoor enthusiasts and families. Pros: durable, spacious, and excellent wheel performance. Cons: slightly heavier and fewer included accessories. Taking the number 2 spot is the Antefear collapsible wagon, the most budget-friendly option in this lineup. Despite its low price point, this wagon delivers impressive performance with a massive 245-pound weight capacity. The heavy-duty steel frame and rugged 600D Oxford fabric ensure durability and longevity. Its lightweight design at just 15 pounds makes it easy to transport, while the quick folding mechanism is perfect for saving storage space. What sets the Antefear wagon apart is its automatic rebound handle and 360-degree swivel wheels, making it incredibly user-friendly. The handle adjusts effortlessly to your desired height, and the wheels perform well on a variety of terrains. The removable wheels and fabric make cleaning and maintenance highly convenient. On the downside, while it's sturdy, the build quality doesn't quite match premium options, and it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models. The Antifear Wagon is perfect for budget-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on functionality. Pros: affordable, lightweight, and high weight capacity. Cons: basic build quality and fewer premium features. Finally, at number 1, we have the Amazon Basics Collapsible Wagon. This premium option justifies its higher price tag with superior build quality and functionality. The alloy steel frame and sturdy 600D fabric ensure durability, while the 120-kilogram weight limit makes it ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Its dimensions are larger than most competitors, providing ample space for gear, groceries, or camping supplies. The Amazon Basics Wagon excels in performance thanks to its pneumatic caster wheels that handle rough terrains with ease. The telescoping plastic handle is comfortable to grip and provides excellent control. While it's slightly heavier at 19.36 pounds, the added weight contributes to its overall stability. The assembly process is straightforward, and the folding mechanism is seamless, making it easy to store and transport. For those who want a reliable, premium folding wagon, the Amazon Basics model is the top choice. Its combination of durability, functionality, and ease of use makes it stand out from the competition. Pros: sturdy build, excellent wheel performance, and spacious. Cons: heavier and pricier than other options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.